How to add censor effects in Clipchamp. Need to censor part of your video, whether it's a face, license plate, or something awkward. Here's how to do it in Clipchamp. Clipchamp does not have a censor button, but we can fake it. We have two options. Go to Effects and search Blur. Use a blur to protect your privacy, or use a black rectangle shape as a censor bar. Drag it above your clip in the timeline. Now resize and position the blur or shape over the area you want to hide, like a face, phone number, or a logo. You can stretch or rotate it to match the movement. If the subject moves, copy the overlay to multiple frames and move it slightly each time to follow along. It's manual but effective. Play it back and boom, your video is now censored and clean. Hit export and you are done. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.